problem with it.
Last problem of the day.
Just waiting for it to switch to red.
Last problem of this.
Not quite. Almost. Still have day 6 and 7. Oh my goodness. It's just spinning.
And I just
It's a long video, give it a second.
do what the seniors.
There we go.
And have this test be.
Hey, welcome back to your comment, Mrs. Ferris.
Welcome back.
Oh, on the ones where it is one triangle,
Please make sure you like it.
you can, please make sure you like and subscribe. Now I lost my train of thought. On the ones where it's only one triangle, this checking for the second triangle earns you points. You can't just check and not show your work. You have to show that you've gotten an angle that will make it over 100 and 180 with all three. All right, last one. Go ahead and sketch it out.
Just draw it. On a dirty day.
And I'm gonna let you guys get a start on this one. See if you can remember how to determine if there's a second. Great.
She does not hear.
We're gonna
30.
start with the law of sines.
So,
Force to solve for a certain angle.
oh, that's too big a font.
Oh, yeah,
That's true. So, 30 is. Kind of 30. Over. Equals. Sine. Okay.
Why? Let's not.
Buckets for me. Congratulations.
I am a seat counter. I tell you.
No.
No, like if there's 28 kids that consider the graduation row, or 28, and then we'll go to the next row, and then the next row.
That sounds like a really exciting job.
It is, so if you guys, when he says,
Is it
you may
because
be
of your-
seated, when you go to sit down, if there's not enough seats, it's our fault.
Is that what Trig teach you?
Yes, how to count seats.
Become a seat counter.
So I figured you.
It's what you can do with a math degree.
Only one of the ones.
There's 8 of us qualified for it.
Yeah.
All
math teachers.
What profession is actually used for?
Right? I would say architecture,
Building
surveying.
Hey,
surveying?
surveyors.
Isn't there?
Any construction.
Well, I mean,
would use Trig. I mean, you
this
might not
part
have
of
to do it.
Trig-
But like,
This
isn't
part of
there
Trig
computer
isn't
programs
hard.
that use it?
Yeah.
But like,
Yeah, there,
what are the uses for logarithms and stuff? Seriously, like, this part of Trig, obviously,
So like,
we have
computers-
word problems that show us.
So
But
like,
like logs, when am I gonna use a log?
you probably won't. There's many things that you learn that you probably won't use.
but the thing is, Brett,
Becoming a well-rounded individual.
I just,
the whole
I feel like
existence
my
of
life-
logarithms and
it's
stuff.
more useful if you just practice.
This parent, my life would be so much like cleaner if I didn't know what log was. It would make my life.
I still don't know what log is.
That's
I
a
just
good
zoned out that week. I swore when I dropped the log, but I still messed up. Somehow, I don't know what swirling is.
Okay, so rounding equals the back.
Just multiply
Let's solve
everything.
for something.
Alright.
All right.
I solved for it.
Thing is, computers actually use all those logarithms and stuff for different purposes for whatever reason.
Well, the person who creates the program had to know
How to do it.
the math. Correct.
Yeah.
You really have to take mathematicians and be like, hey, tell us how to do that and we'll program it.
Mhm.
Now what do I?
We don't have to type that in. Is it less than one? Is it less than one, but bigger than zero?
Yeah.
And then there's only your answer. Yeah, because what's the version you go out of the circle?
Store as.
Don't forget to check for a second triangle. You have to either prove there is one or prove there isn't one.
I just proved there wasn't a second one drawn.
Okay, check your first chart. Oh. Check your first chart. Make sure you had 48.590, 101.410, and 14.684. So we know for sure there's one triangle. We have to check for a second. So you set up Yo,
I got 15.
Yeah, so did I.
15 point what?
684.
684?
Yeah, that's what I got.
15.6.
Why did I write 14?
Because you
Because I,
Because
you decided not to.
15,
You
Everyone
would have failed that problem.
14, it's only one difference.
I said that about
But that's
decimals
still-
and then.
That's like 12 points right there. That's gonna mess up the next round.
No, it wouldn't.
Yeah, it would.
No, it's.
No, it wouldn't.
It would, but still,
But still.
All right, possible second chart.
mistakes are not.
Mistakes are wrong for the future.
Why are we writing pencil? Or smartboard
And
pen?
using some
So 30 stays, 12 stays, 8 stays. And then to check for a second, what do we do?
Say yes, there it is.
Alpha prime will be equal to
180 minus.
180 minus alpha. So you always use 180 and then subtract the angle that you got when you inversed. So we get 131.410. We're going to store that because that's a potential new A if we have room for a third angle. So 131.410. And then to check for the third angle, all three have to total 180. So if you have less than 180, there has to be a third angle. 131 and 130 gives you 161. You have room for the third angle. So then we need, oops, did I write it on the wrong angle? Gosh dang it. Don't put it on gamma. Don't do what I did.
That's what I did, and then I fixed it.
131.410 degrees, making sure you guys are paying attention.
No, it's like.
No, that's strike two. So I still have one.
That's what I said.
You said you said strike three.
No,
That's right.
that's right.
That's strike three. Dang it. So 180 minus 30 minus alpha prime should have given you 18.590. And then we need little c prime, so we go back to our proportion with the law of sines. Sine of 30 over 8 equals the sine of, you should make sure that you store gamma, and we want little c prime. If you solve the last variable and it's the same as it was in the first problem,
You're wrong.
you are wrong. That means you didn't store. And then this one was,
5.10.
you are correct. So it had a total of
Two triangles.
2 triangles.
Those triangles.
On your worksheet, you have all 3 triangles thrown together. If you get AAS or ASA, how many triangles does that make? 1. Makes 1 triangle. Do not try to check for 2 triangles. It can't make 2 triangles.
Do you have to
Yes,
say
yes. And then for SSA, you're 0, 1, or 2 triangles. It says on the paper to be sure to state what type of triangle and check.
I just didn't know if we had to state like 2 triangles. Because our work would show it.
It says to state.
Okay.